All right, welcome back to this module. So we're going to be uploading to Instagram in this case. What we've got video number 2, which is the same video with a different call to action. So that's all we're going to do. We're going to do the same process, upload it to Instagram. So I'm going to go over to our social tabs on my phone. I'm going to click Instagram, and as you can see, we're already logged in. Just checking again, this is JMCL short 001, and we're currently on domain number 2. Okay, number 1. Domain number 2 is Instagram, so we're good to go. So all we're going to do, we're going to click on the plus button, and what it will do, it will locate the latest video. And what you don't want to do in any circumstance is upload this video, because number 1, it's got the wrong domain name on, and number 2, it's got the TikTok watermark. So you don't want to do that. It's really bad practice to upload anything with another platform's watermark on. So this is the video that we did for Instagram, the one that we did on CapCut. So I'm going to click on there. Again, just make sure. Okay, so domain number 2, that's the one. And again, we need to do the same process. We need to get rid of any of the sort of, you hear me breathing, making noises, get rid of that volume, and also add some kind of a music track because it's a silent video. Okay, so click on next. And we'll click on this icon here, which is the sound icon, and then we'll go to controls. Right, and then you can see there, you can just go and take that all the way to 0, okay, and then click on done. Okay, we're happy with that. Next thing, it gives us some ideas of music that we can use. So if we can just have a listen, let's have a listen to the first one, My Addiction. 3.9 million reels have used this piece of music. And I'm ready to... Sounds good to me. Okay, let's click on that. There you go. So it's just... And I'm ready to... And I'm ready to... Okay. That'll do. And I'm ready to... And I'm ready to... Click on next. Okay, so you can alter the way it comes in. So you can see that you had that pop, 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 and then the drop hit and the beat came in. It would have been good to have that. Okay, so what I would need to do, as I said previously, make your shorts 7 to 10 seconds. Those real sort of silent pointy shorts, 7 to 10 seconds. This is like 4 seconds. It's a little bit too short. Okay, but other than that, it's all right. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over and we're just going to grab, we're just going to get all the headline or the title and the hashtags as we did previously. Okay, we're going to copy that. Okay, we're going to add that. We're going to right click and we're going to paste that in. Again, same as before. Okay, next thing we'll do, we're going to grab the hashtags, copy that. Copy those, right click, and where can I see? Paste that. Yeah, go paste it in there. Okay, that's it. Let me just see if I can. Yeah, that's better. That's it. Good. Right, we'll go and share that. And what it does, it just takes maybe a minute, maybe a few seconds just to finish up. It will tell you here that it's finishing up. And there we go. It's done. Okay, so let's go and watch it. There we go. So we'll probably put some volume on at some point, but that's it, pretty much done. All right, and we're all good. So there's our second video uploaded to Instagram. So what we've got now is we've got one uploaded to TikTok and one uploaded to Instagram. Okay, and what I tend to do when I'm uploading, I stay in the same account. So rather than going logging out, logging in, I'll do my number 1 account. I'll do all 3 on number 1 account. Then I'll do all 3 on number 2, all 3 on number 3. So remember, we're putting together 5 pieces of content. Okay, so remember it took what, 10 minutes to do this one, maybe even less than 10 minutes. 5 pieces of content every single day, and we're going to turn those 5 pieces of content into 15 pieces of content by putting them over the different platform. So it's really powerful. And let me tell you, when you get all this system set up, it might seem a little bit overwhelming about how to set things up, but if you do things in steps and you get to this point where you're actually uploading things, let me tell you, it's extremely powerful. And this is why, you know, your affiliate marketing business can really explode by doing something like this, then your daily method of operation is just putting these videos together and uploading them every single day, and it's really simple. Anyway, join me on the next module. We're going to be talking about the YouTube Shorts. I'll see you there.